guys, what's up? So today, amongst the vlogs I've been doing, I've been telling you guys that I was waiting for some home decor from Hobby Lobby and then a huge wall clock from the World Market. Well, the wall clock is going to be here tomorrow, but today I got 3 huge Hobby Lobby boxes, which I think is kind of excessive because I didn't get that much stuff. They're just like longer stuff. But anyways, so I'm here downstairs filming. My kids are around. It might be a little noisy, but I thought I would just share with you guys what I got because I never go home decor shopping ever. This is like a rare thing. There's only one other video like this and on this channel, so this is kind of a unique thing, so I thought I would film it for you guys. And I'm also going to insert a clip and show you the wall clock as well whenever it gets here tomorrow. But for now, I wanted to show you some of the things that I got from Hobby Lobby. So if you like this video or if you like the videos I've been doing, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe because there's some fun vlogs. Anyways, let's just get started. So I warned you, the kids are noisy and there's Angry Birds playing in the background. Okay, so first things first, I got 2 of these little containers, and they are glass, but I figured that I would put like cotton balls in there, have them in my bathroom or something like that. So I got 2 of these. Now do keep in mind I'm going to be showing you a lot of stuff, but I did get everything when it was a 50% off sale, so everything was 50% off, just so you know. Okay, next I got some of their like fake flowers. So I got these ones, which are kind of like that rusticy vibe, and they're like pretty long. You can see like they're as long as my body. And then I got these white ones as well, which I'm super glad that I got because I got also a huge vase, and I didn't realize it was going to be so huge, but it definitely is a humongous vase. Okay, this looked like it was going to be, I thought it was going to be like this tall, but I should have read the description better. But it's a huge vase, which is fine. It's going to go on my table. We'll figure something out with it, but it's kind of cool. Kind of cool, right guys? Kind of cool. So these flowers are long enough that they fit in there, so I guess that's perfect. Okay, I am so excited about this. So excited. This is gonna go in my dining room. So I used to have like a shabby chic kind of house. Now it's going more rustic, like farmhousey, cute, mixed with shabby chic style. And so I saw these, and I used to have like shabby chic letters, but I saw these and I had to get them. They spell out eat, and they're going to be in the dining room. So it's an E, an A, and a T. So these are so freaking cute, and so I'm going to put them up on my little shelf there. I am so excited about these. And I love these so much that I even got a B to go into my office for my beauty videos. So it can be like in the background. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. And they are usually $10, but I got it 50% off. Okay, so this is another thing, another vase that I didn't read the description because I thought this one would be bigger. I thought that big one would be smaller and this one would be bigger. But I got a little tiny vase. It's super cute. I could put some flowers in there. This one was $6.99 and 50% off. Made it like $3-ish or something like that. So got that as well. Oh, so many cute things. I also got some stuff for my boys' room too, so I'll show you that at some point as well. This is like perfect. This next thing, I love it. So I like doing collages. You'll see, like if I do a house tour or something, I like collages. So like a lot of pictures, a lot of different shapes on my walls all together. So I got this arrow and I thought it was just perfect. I love the color. I felt like the color was just a perfect color, and I think it would go really good on my wall. So this retails for $10 and I got it for $5. So I don't know, I really like this, like to put up randomly up on the wall, you know? It's really, really cute. Along with that, I got this to also go up on the wall, and this was $11.99 originally, but everything's 50% off. Just so you know, everything's 50% off, so I don't have to keep trying to do like the 50% off counting in my head. Like I don't have to, you know, it's all 50% off. This was originally $11.99, but it's so cute, and it's like heavy duty, but it's a little knob, and this is exact, like this is my color right now in the house. I've always loved this color. This is my favorite color ever. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put this in the other room, but I really, really love this. Okay, this is another thing that I thought would be bigger, but they were only like, I should have known because they were only $1. But these are some wood cursive or script letters. They're originally $1.49. So this, and basically, so they're super tiny, but I'll put them on a frame. I'll do something with these. But anyways, I basically got enough letters to spell gather. I thought I would put it in my living room. So it's super cute, you know? The G, the A, the H, the R, the T, and the E. So they're really cute, but I gotta make sure I do not lose these because it would not be fun if I did lose these. The little baby's joining us, so this should be even fun. Brigham. He's the biggest 6-week-old you probably have ever seen. Anyways, okay, so I got 2 of these little floral plants. They are originally $10, but I thought they were just so cute. I'm gonna have one on my piano, one probably in my office, but I got 2 of these. They're so adorable. And then I also got this floral one with like, I think it's supposed to be like a lavender plant, but again, like that farmhouse rusticy type of look. So yeah, I would have never paid $10 for this, you guys. Get them when they're 50% off, because this is kind of ridiculous. Really, that little thing. I am like, most of my decorations are free, given to me. Did you guys just witness that throw up everywhere? Did you witness it? The true mommy life. Like, everything that could possibly go wrong is going wrong. Like, this baby threw up on me, one baby's crying, the other 2 are fighting. I got this stuff, I just want to put it away because they're in here messing with it, so I wanted to share it with you guys. It's just like, anyways, true mommy life. He just threw up on me, but all's good, I wiped it off. Okay, so here's another thing that I thought was smaller, but ended up being a humongous bottle. So this one retails for $17.99. I thought I would put like some flowers in there. Maybe I'd put this up on my piano. I'm not sure, but what I'm gonna do with this baby, because it's humongous. Humongous. Okay, another little bottle vase type of thing. I love this style, and I love having flowers all around the house. So this is just super cute. I could have easily probably made this at the dollar store now that I'm looking at it, but still, like, it's really cute. I don't have to make it myself. So I don't know how much this was. It doesn't say on the thing. So okay, so next, this is something that I've wanted for years. I have wanted this. It ended up being a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be, but still, I still really love it. This retails for $44.99. I got it for like 22 something, which is really good. So it is a, what is this called? This is called, I can't think of it off the top of my head, but anyways, it's my favorite color, you guys know, and it's so freaking cute. And so it's this bigger one, and then inside is a smaller one. So I'm actually going to just pile them on top of each other is what I'm going to do. And like put them in the corner for decoration. Is that a humongous ant? Oh gosh. I just saw the most humongous fire red ant I'd ever seen in my whole life. It was legit like this. Anyways. So then it does have a like smaller one inside as well, but these are so cute. So I think I'm gonna put them in the corner, actually in this room, my piano room. And I'm thinking I'll probably use those to model some of my frames when I start making frames. Okay, so I did get some stuff from the boys' room because my oldest wants dinosaurs in his room. So at first I saw this. This actually is supposed to sit on a shelf. It's $6.99, but it is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. They have like a whole bunch of these that are kind of matchy. So I don't know if I'm gonna put something on there to hang it up, or if we're just gonna sit it on like a shelf or what, but it's so cute. And then there's a couple dinosaurs. So these were each 20 bucks, so I got them for 10, and they're just so cute. So I bought 3 of these. So I got this one. They all match that like rusticy style. This one, and I got this one. So super cute for a boy's room. So I'm so excited. It's so cute. And I showed him, so he kind of picked them out. Well, there wasn't many options. Those are all the dinosaur decorations. Like, do you want these or not? Yes. Okay, good. We're doing it. Okay, so the last thing that I got was these. So these are a set of 3, and how much was it for the set of 3? It was $24.99 for a set of 3 buckets. So here's the biggest one, and they all come in there. So here's like the smallest one, and then here's the like medium size. So I got these so that I could put like the biggest one I'm gonna put in the family room. I'm gonna stick the throw blankets in there and kind of hang it off really cute, and so anytime that we're cold we can grab them and they're not just always on the couch just being there. And then the medium one, I think I'm gonna put in my bathroom and roll up towels and stick them in there. And then the smaller one, I'm sure we can put in the bathroom as well and find something to do with it, because I'm going to have like a shelf or ladders or something in there. So I don't know, it's just really cute. Or actually this smaller one, we could put my piano music and put it to the side also in the piano room. Anyways, so there's lots of things that I can do with this, but I thought this was really, really cute. And I don't have any of these like galvanized decor at all in my house. That's why almost everything was galvanized, because I don't have any of it. So I'm just going to kind of put bits of that style in each room. My kids are getting so crazy right now, but that's it. That's all that I got from Hobby Lobby. I will be showing you guys tomorrow whenever I get my huge wall clock. But I hope you guys have been loving my vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe. You guys are so amazing and so awesome. I love reading your guys' comments, and when you guys comment and like tell me stuff or ask about the baby, we're all doing well, we're all happy, and I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Okay, so the big wall clock came in today, and we put it up, and I thought I would share it with you guys. It is so gorgeous. Like, I'll show you. Like, it is so humongous. Like, one of these things are bigger than my hand. So you can see like how humongous it is. But I absolutely love it. I hope you guys really enjoyed my home decor haul. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and I'll just see you guys in my next video.